was something in the air. It was something in the air. I get nervous when you get closer. You feel it taking over you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a new video for y'all with my sister. She crazy. Oh my gosh. This is my older sister and she is going out with her husband tonight. It's date night and they're going to a bar grand opening. So she came to me, she said, sis, I need you to slay it is face. I said, say no more. I got you. Okay? So that's what we're doing. I'm about to beat that face, and I went off on my own and did my own little thing. Let's get in there, let's go. Oh my gosh, y'all watch this. Oh my gosh. She like her mama. Okay, y'all, I know she look funny right now, but I promise y'all she ain't gonna stay like this forever. I promise. You don't want to use the same shadows we put on the top on the bottom. That's all I'm doing right here, as you can see. The names of the products I used in this video are going to be listed in the description box, so please check that out. Check it out. Y'all, when I tell y'all she was loving that glow, she was loving that glow. What a better way to end the video than with a cute little baby. Love 'em.
It was something in the air.